I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through leveling a washing machine. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide if this is a 30-minute fix on a Saturday morning or whether you've actually got a bigger problem. Here's the scene. Your washer is shaking the house on the spin cycle. Maybe the detergent bottle walks off the top every load. Maybe you can hear the thumping 2 rooms away. Maybe the thing has actually moved an inch across the laundry room over the last month. Whatever brought you here, the real question is the same. Is this a leveling problem, or is this a dying machine? Because I'll tell you the single biggest mistake I see homeowners make on this job. They call for a repair tech on a $2,000 machine when the real problem was a $10 wrench and a 9-inch bubble level. So step 1, before you start spending money, is diagnosis. Put a level on top, side to side, then front to back. If the bubble is off center, you don't need a repair. You need a wrench. Now here's what the job actually looks like. If your machine is brand new, you pull the shipping bolts off the back first. 3 or 4 long bolts, 10 to 13 millimeter. Miss those and the machine will tear itself apart on the first spin. Then you get to the legs. Each front leg has a locking nut and a threaded shaft. You loosen the nut, you turn the leg to raise or lower that corner, and you lock it back down tight against the machine body. You do the rock test. Push down on each front corner. Push on diagonal corners. If anything rocks, you give that leg an 1/8 of a turn and retest. If you're over a wood subfloor or a second floor laundry, you slip $15 rubber pads under each leg. Then you re-level because the pads compress. And you test with a real load at full spin, hand on top, checking that the vibration stays put. Sounds simple. It is simple. But there are traps. Forgetting the shipping bolts on a new machine, leveling the front but ignoring the back, locking the nut before the leg is set, adding pads without re-leveling, blaming the machine when the pedestal is the loose part. And one more thing. If you fully level the machine and it still shakes with clunking noises during spin, stop. That's a failed bearing. That's a service call, and on most front loaders, it's not worth the repair. The guide tells you exactly how to tell the difference. For the full step-by-step, the exact torque sequence, the pedestal fix, and the moment you stop and replace instead of repair, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.